Chicken fajita, tater tot casserole.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with the Dutch oven and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Heat that to medium high, then add in 1 red pepper chopped, 1 green pepper chopped, 1 medium onion sliced, and 1 or 2 jalapeno peppers to taste, finely diced. Cook and stir that over medium-high heat until the veggies start to soften, and then add in a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, as well as a packet of chicken taco seasoning mix. You can also use just regular taco mix for this. Cook and stir that for about a minute, then you can turn the heat off. Add in 1 undrained can of fire-roasted tomatoes, that's 14.5 ounces, 1 4.5 ounce can of diced green chilies, undrained. Then add in 3 cups of shredded cooked chicken, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and 1 cup of sour cream. Take it off the heat, just give it a stir and put it aside, and we're going to assemble this casserole. The recipe calls for 32 ounces, which is 2 pounds of tater tots. Ours come in 800 gram bags, which is a little bit smaller. Still worked out though. So you put half of the tater tots on the bottom of your 9 by 13 inch baking dish that's been greased. Put your chicken filling on top and then top with the remaining tater tots. And if I had a bigger bag, it probably would have filled in some of those gaps. Then you're going to add a cup of cheddar cheese on top of that and bake it 350 for about 45 minutes until it's brown and bubbly. And there you go. You serve this with some salsa and some sour cream. It is comfort food at its finest, and I think your family will love it. If you love recipes with tater tots, and who doesn't, I have another one on my channel called Cheesy Tater Tot Chicken Casserole. Check it out.